Good morning, candidates. This is Chartered Accountant are appearing for FCI interview, and in that Food Corporation of India, Chartered Accountants um, expected questions. That's what I would like to discuss now. Expected questions. Yeah. I have collected initially from one site. I will give the link of this file to you. This contains about 20 pages. Some of the questions that have appeared are: what does personal mean to you by term? The term personal, according to section, includes a person, a family that is undivided, a firm or a company, a press association, or a body of important individuals, an authority that is local, every person who is artificial and does not fall under any of the subclauses. Talk about the heads of income which are needed to calculate total income. The five heads of income which are needed to calculate the whole body of income includes income from salaries, income from house properties, income from sources and other capital gains, income from house property. This has been analyzed from the angle of an individual's income. What do you mean by a resident or an ordinary resident? A person who is being treated as a resident and ordinary resident if he has managed to satisfy any of the conditions as given. The basic condition includes that the person should be living in India for a period of time that goes up to, now this has been changed, 120 days. Earlier it was 182 days, 120 days in the current or previous year. Second, he could be in India for around 60 or even more during the previous year and has been in the country for 365 days or even more during the past 4 years after preceding the previous year. What will you define as the incidence of tax, especially in the case of residents who are not ordinary? A resident who is not ordinary shall be taxed if the income which has been received or has been received in India in the past year. Second, incomes that have been risen or even deemed to boost or raise in India in the past 1 year. Third, incomes which have risen outside India from any business. But of course, this type of questions mostly they may not ask in FCI, but ask in, say, banking interviews. Which incomes have been believed to be arisen here even if they have risen outside India? Which incomes are not kept under section number 10 of the Act? The incomes which have been exempted from Section 10 of the Act include income related to agriculture, any amount which is received under any life insurance policy, sharing of profits, other educational scholarships, local authority and mutual funds payments, capital gains. Which of the items are needed in a salary? What is the definition of gratuity? I think this for our HR people, this question may come. Define pension, mention how it can be calculated. There is a rank holder outside and you have failed consistently. Why should I give you the job? You have to tell your plus points. What are your areas of interest? What is more important, money or company? Tips. This I have taken from another website. Dress code for the male and female candidates. Proper dress code. How should you prepare before you go for CA interview? It is important to prepare for the interview. So make sure to spend at least 2 hours a day on gathering more information and knowledge. Read more newspapers and magazines and be informed of what is happening around the world. Watch history channels and those that culture. Yeah. Basic things you should know before attending an interview. Never say that you come from a small or mediocre firm, firstly. Second, listen to what the interviewer has to say or question and then answer them accordingly. Third, never touch your ear or nose or face while speaking. It shows you don't have much confidence. Do not allow your interviewer to repeat any questions. Don't talk about salary. Basic things you must always remember. Pick a simple topic and speak about it at least for 10 minutes. You can record it in your mobile phone to see how you have spoken. Have a good knowledge about your hobby. If you like cricket, do know about Indian cricket team. Arrange all your documents and papers in such a way so that you can explain whatever the question has been asked to you. This brings the post to an end if you have enjoyed. Yeah, this is not required. Yeah. Other interview questions asked: how do you plan to lead your team of accountants? What is your area of specialization? What accounting system do you plan to implement? Can you briefly explain your experience after you served articles? How do you plan to keep the organization compliant with the state revenue service? This is a good question. Then one more. How do you stay up to date with tax laws and accounting standards? What experience do you have in supporting and training junior accounting staff? Can you recall an accounting error you made and what you have done since to avoid making mistakes? Demonstrate the ability to rectify problems and minimize the risk of making mistakes. Then, what experience do you have with the preparation of financial reports? What type of accounting systems and programs that you worked and which you would recommend? These are the questions. Some another type of questions. Name the skill you think all accountants should possess. What was the toughest accounting task you faced in your career? What software packages or for accounting are you comfortable? Why do you want to work with us? Do you see anything our company is currently doing that we could improve? Describe a team when you have helped to decrease costs. How do you minimize errors in work? What drew you to accounting as a profession? How do you view your role on a team? Do you prefer to work alone or as a part of a group? How have you implemented recent tax laws in the previous company? Do you have knowledge about government laws and state regulations? How will you describe your analytical and logical thinking? How good are you at computers? Can you compile and interpret accounting data and reports? Define assessment year and previous year. Name the five heads of income to calculate total income of the assessee. Do you like working in a team or independently? Accounting job has lot of work pressure. How will you handle late working hours and stress? What experience you have in this chartered accountant position? In the last year, what have you done to improve your knowledge as chartered accountant? What is most rewarding about this job? What do people generally have an idea of what you do? How do you find chartered accounting as a career? These questions. Do you have knowledge of basic accounting standards? Do you have experience of handling XYZ? What are the methods have you used in estimating bad debt? What is your role within the month-end close process? Which enterprise resource planning systems have you used? Can you describe a time when you took the lead on implementation or were proactive on in another context? Can you describe a time when you helped to reduce costs? What type of audits have you done? How do you minimize the risk of errors in your work? Then, how hands-on were you? Your response here will likely to depend on whether you have been working for a bigger or smaller firm. What is your experience with developing business metrics? In terms of culture, what environment do you see yourself succeeding in? Tell us about a time you had a difficult conversation with a manager or a colleague in another department. Why is there gap in your employment record? So these are some of the questions that can be asked in any chartered accountant interview. Chartered accountants are always bright candidates. I'm sure you must be able to manage the interview very well. And this one, I thought there is one more which doesn't allow copying, and this one you can go through this also. Global guideline. Here, these are the questions asked. What is chartered accountancy? Define economics and explain about it. Explain what is the importance of strategic management towards success of a business. Explain why is economics seen as a social science. Explain what is the incidence of tax. Explain trade discount and rebate. Explain what is balance of payment. Explain what are the disadvantages of mixed economy system. Explain the golden rule of accounting. Then explain how is education investment in human capital. What are the advantages of leaving the allocation of a country resources to price mechanism. Explain what is Ramsey pricing. Explain what is inflation and how is it measured. Tell me what does the term person includes. I think this point we discussed as the first question. Do you know who is a resident, ordinary resident? Incidence of tax in the resident but not ordinary resident. What main items are in this questions also we have seen. Yeah. Yeah, these questions. Explain the difference between short-term capital asset, long-term capital asset. Then list the criterion of exemption for HRA. What is pension? What is gratuity? List the 5 heads of income to calculate total income of assessee. Capital budgeting. Why you choose to become a CA. Can FCRA utilized bank account transfer amount to FC account? Yeah, these are the questions. So you can go through this also. I will give the link in the um, say video also. I have given the link in the um, file of this paper also. Thank you so much. Best wishes.